We got a new puppy. Now, this new puppy is a joy. The problem is our older dog is frustrated by the puppy because, of course, the puppy continues to jump in the older dog's face. On the puppy's behalf, this is a sign of respect, and also the puppy believes that the older dog is her mother. But what we had to do is teach the puppy not to jump in the older dog's face. Now, initially my wife would just say, no, no, no. But that didn't seem to work. So what we had to do is a different technique. And what we began doing is separating the puppy every time she jumped in the older dog's face by putting her back into her pen, and we would say no. What we had to do was associate enough pain with jumping in the older dog's face that the puppy would cease and assist. So what does it have to do with you? A lot of times you're trying to get a new mind. You're trying to change your mind. You're trying to transform your mind. And you're using affirmations and other tools, and they don't seem to work. The reason being is because you haven't associated enough pain with your current action. For example, if you smoke, if you can see, of course, at the end of your smoking, for example, cancer, for example, I know that sounds harsh, but if you saw that as the end result and how it would affect your family, that may be the motivation you needed to stop smoking. Say that it was trouble in a particular relationship. If you begin seeing the trouble and the end results of that trouble and begin changing your attitude in that relationship, perhaps that relationship can change. What you have to do with any action, overeating or anything else, is see enough pain associated with that action to change it. If you can't see a payoff or enough pain at the end of that action, you're going to continue it. But if you could go to the end of that action, as with Scrooge on the Christmas Carol, when he saw the end of his life was so much pain associated with that action that Ebenezer Scrooge changed his life. He transformed his life. Often with us, there hasn't been enough pain associated with the action that we're taking, so we continue to take that action. When you begin seeing that action in your mind's eye and begin playing it out, you're on your way to desired change. This is Coach DeCarlo, and saying have a great and abundant day.